on Pedro. See if we can catch what we caught last time. Catch some trout. Soft dirt right here. First cast. Right there. Pull out. Jimmy went for a walk. My cousin. He's bass fishing. He's bass man. Alright. Change on my battery. I think I'm getting bit. Let's see. Yeah, got one. Mine's moving. Not very good. Moving. Oh yeah. First fish of the day. I think. On there. Yeah, buddy. First fish. Tie himself out. Muddy right here. Woo! Muddy. Yeah. Change out the hook. Made a big difference. Just that little thing. Yeah. Like at least. There gotta be one. This is a nice little trout. Choked it. Huh?
You hooked them already?
No, not yet.
Oh, okay.
Choked it. First fish of the year. I'll take it. Oh yeah. Get some fish tacos. I gotta get my stringer out of the trunk. I can keep 5 of these. Gotta catch 4 more when I'm done. Do some bass fishing. Go. Number 1. After a long wait. How did he drop it? He spat it. Darn it. He stole it. He stole it. Oh, right here. Yeah, scam. I got robbed. You know how you gave me 3 of those red ones? They took off 1. So they had it in the mouth but not the hook. So I was like, ah. It was pulling too. So they're here. Probably try over here, you might catch one. Let's see, they're right there. Just stop recording. and now I'm getting a bite. Munching on it. Come on, take it. You got it. In the way. Yo. How are you not getting hooked? The hook's too small. That's what it is. Thing must be tiny. Not to get hooked. Oh, you got one? Yeah. Oh, nice. I'm getting bit over here, but I don't know what they're doing. They're just chewing on it and spitting it out.
This one was yours. Guess what it had in it?
Oh, a power bait.
2 yellow balls and
Scam.
Look at that thing, bro. I need a picture.
Give me-
Now, this is the story. Ruben got snapped off, and I was fishing over there, and I pulled this fish up with his line. So it's a half and
man.
half and half.
That's
cat.
a giant one, dude.
Yep.
That's a nice one.
First trout of the year.
Heck
Ruben.
yeah.
Hey.
Jimmy got 3 fish now. He
It's a half.
outdoing me.
It's a
Jeez.
I don't know how to tie it. That's why I was like,
Yeah,
I
that's
just
fine.
put it through there. Yeah, dude, I was like, oh, I got something. And I was reeling in because I have my other setup with the worm on. And I was like, oh, okay, I got something. Yeah, this fool's still fighting. And I got something. It's moving. And I was like, oh, it came off. I busted off. And nope, I pulled it in. It was your line.
Oh,
I
man.
had the it's over there still. The
Yeah?
power balls and the green worm.
Really?
Yeah. I told you, I was like, look, dude, that fish is still on your line.
The heck? That's probably why it jumped, remember?
Uh-huh.
I was like, oh,
He was
man.
stuck. I pulled him out, but I picked him up, too.
Jeez.
As long as we got our photos, we're good. You want to keep these over here or take them back over there?
I'll leave him here. I'm getting bit over here. It's just
Nice.
he's not taking it. I don't know what they're doing. Nibbling it.
They're playing
Playing with my
games.
emotions.
That was crazy.
Yeah, it was a good fight too, huh?
Yeah, I was like, oh, I got him. Oh, he came off. I was pissed, and then I was like, I kept reeling. I was like, he's still on there. And then he came off my line, but I had your line in my hand, and I just went like this.
Oh, really?
He started hurting it though. I was like, oh, he must be
Hand
big.
lining.
Well, I didn't think he was that big.
Yeah,
I was like, that's a big trout.
You get one fillet, I get the other side. Caught my fish that snapped. There you go. A big old spider. Giant tarantula. So you caught it right here? Yeah. Is my weight on there too?
No, the line and the egg and
Oh yeah.
it's all right there.
Oh
I
man.
was like, this is one. I was like, just telling myself, I'm never gonna catch a trout. I don't have the patience for it. So I switched to my worm, and I caught it with the worm that I was fishing with. I was like, what
Nice. About time. This thing was munching and munching it. Took forever. Nice one. No wonder you're dropping it. Got a messed up jaw. Ooh. Finally, my second fish. He kept eating it, dropping it, eating it, dropping it. Whew.